Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about something we miss doing a lot these days. Going to office. No, just kidding. Going on a vacation. Now we are in a funny situation, where vacation and vaccination have almost become synonymous. I mean, they always sounded similar, vaccination, vacation, but now they've become really synonymous. And if you think about it, there were always a lot of similarities between the two. Like vaccination, you can decide whether you want to go on a vacation or not. But if you decide the later, it can lead to a lot of pain and suffering later. Also, like vaccination, vacation can be a little bit of pain initially, but can lead to a lot of mental satisfaction and well being later on. Now that we have the vaccination pitch out of the way, we can go on to talk about India's favorite vacation destinations. And what do we start with? Goa, of course. Like all small town people, kids growing up in small towns, Goa was the ultimate vacation destination for me. And this was the time around when Dil Chahta Hai came out, so it naturally captured the imagination of a lot of young people. And 15, 20 years after that, when I first went to Goa, it felt different. You feel it's different. It's like from the rest of the country. It's like on 15th of August 1947, rest of India got only half of independence. And Goa, it became really free, like totally liberated. And there are other beach cities in the country, but none is as green and as free as Goa. Another thing you notice is when you go to Goa is that there are a lot of Russians there. I mean, it's okay. I mean, India is a free country, but our people take it to a different level. I went to a shag in Goa, and I see waiters wearing t-shirts with Putin's face on it. And when you go there, they greet you in English with a Russian accent. Hello, I'm Boris. Yeah, sure, you're Boris. You're more like Balram, my friend. To the other end of the freedom spectrum is Kashmir. Beautiful place. In fact, it's so beautiful that the Chinese keep visiting. And the funny thing is that when I went to Srinagar, I couldn't find a single Chinese restaurant there. I'm sure the Chinese are upset about it, hence the frequent visits. Now, if you live and work in Bangalore and you want to visit a beach city and you don't want to cross the state borders, where will you go? Gokarna. Goa's impoverished cousin. And when you go there, you realize there are a lot of Israelis there. And you can find them in the most unexpected places. It's like Mossad is running an operation there. Only everybody knows about it. And I got the shock of my life when I went there and I was served hummus with plain dosa instead of chutney. And guess what was the name of the waiter? Javier. Give me a break. How can I talk about vacation destinations in India without talking about Agra, where we have the symbol of eternal love, the Taj? When you go there, you will find a lot of bored couples trying to look happy for their Facebook photos with Taj in the background. Now, when I went to visit the Taj, unfortunately, I hired a guide. And it was a she. And while giving the tour of the Taj, I don't know why she gave me the most twisted and bizarre history of India. It's like if somebody who had written the NCRT history book would have committed suicide if they would have heard her version of India's history. And it would have been literally like, they would have climbed the minar of the Taj and they would have jumped from there. It was so bizarre. And who has a name Noor Jahan these days? I swear, the guide's name was Noor Jahan. And before doing this joke, I checked there was nobody called Noor Jahan in our office. If you still lack some motivation, you can go to Khajuraho. Yes, Khajuraho. It has the most amazing sculptures of India's favorite Olympic sport. And when you go there, you can find sports and arts lover from around the world. Turns out it's quite a popular sport. Towards the northeast of the country is the northeast. And those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, it is from where your favorite snack momos comes from. And don't ask me who will you find there. You will find most of India's Olympic medalists there. So let's get vaccinated. Let's fight this thing together so that we can visit these awesome places again. Adios until we meet again.